Wondering how to have a perfect curve like you can see on this turban? Wonder no more. Now let me take you through the process. Now of course, after you finish sewing your turban, it actually looks like a bag, isn't it? Let me put it on the dummy head so you see how it looks right now. Keep watching and this should, yeah, learning. Okay, so we take it off now and turn it inside out. So now we have the back. So we're going to be sewing it to form this curve like this. Now the curve is a semicircle. It will go all the way and still go down a bit on the other side. Take note. But when you start, first of all, you need to sew the first part you're doing very well to hold in the tacking so that it doesn't loosen. So that's what I'm doing. After that, I start doing my running stitching, following the trace that I showed you. Remember, it starts straight, then it starts curving like 2 inches before you reach the top. You start curving it, then you take it like a semicircle all the way around, and it gives you that lovely curved shape once you're done. If you gain value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see how this turban was made and the final outcome, because this is not where it stopped, I think I had some side ruffles, do let me know also, and I'll get that set for you as soon as possible.